Today Yoshiko visited a traditional katsuobushi shop here in Tokyo to find out what makes Japanese dashi so special.
Inside, the lady explained the different types of katsuobushi and how each one is used. They use machines to shave the dried bonito blocks fresh in the shop, which gives a wonderful aroma and flavor. She chose a few varieties for me and put them into paper bags. She said, "I can assure you the flavor here is very good." Today I'm going to make a soba noodle, cold soba noodle, and now the weather is warming up here in Tokyo. So the other day I went to the katsuobushi shop, which one of my students recommended. And I asked the shop owner that which is good for nimono and which is good for soba soup. And she recommended this nimono, this one, and this is for soba tsuyu. And so this is lighter and this is a bit darker, and as you can see, a little bit rich flavor. I use this one for nimono, like nikujaga or miso soup, things like that. This is for soba soup, which I'm going to make today. And I bought the niboshi as well. So niboshi is dried baby sardine and rich in calcium and of course protein too. So it should be good. Okay, shall we start now? So I'm going to use mirin and soy sauce and kombu and of course katsuobushi. So first I'm going to put mirin in the saucepan, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And boil it just a bit. Mirin first. 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this kombu, just little put the cut here. and then katsuobushi, and then 1.5 cups of water, and then boil it. This is a traditional way of making soba tsuyu, soba soup. But normally I use this one ready-made. But today I've got nice katsuobushi. I decided to make properly. And just before boil, take the kombu out and cook further 5 minutes. This is a taste of Japan. The kombu out. And cook further. So turn down 4 or 5 minutes. Reduce the liquid. And leave it to cool down. So I'm going to fry egg sesame oil. Should be ready. Nice color. Just leave it cool down. This is seaweed. Okay. Negi. Almighty negi. It says.
Almighty.
I used to grow this little negi. So if you chop up here and put in the soil, it will grow. Very handy. Little shallots. Might keep it here. It's a little bowl. This is a packet of soba. Soba is a buckwheat noodle, and it's got lots of fiber, so which is really very nutritious noodle. So this is dry one, as you can see. Normally I cook in hot water, boil it, but as a working mother, I use the easy one, so it's already ready-made. You don't have to boil it.
Excuse me, Yoshiko. Have you got something new today?
Something new? Ah, yes. I'm wearing an apron today, which I bought in the discount shop for 500 yen. It's just good value.
Yeah, sure is. And
Because I'm wearing white shirt today. So.
yeah.
Okay. Now I put this noodle in. This is made of bamboo. It's called Zaru tray. This is for especially for the cold noodle.
Oh, I see.
So here it is. It's called Zaru Soba, and we only got one Zaru Soba tray today. So I served to Michael this dish. Sprinkles sesame seed.
Hello everyone, welcome to Long Life Healthy Way.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all well.
So this is the
Soba.
Soba.
I made, yeah.
Oh wow.
Why don't you try?
Yes.
Before that, I'll put the topping for you.
Oh, okay.
It's easier. Shiso.
Yes, it looks
Eggs.
great.
And a little bit egg.
Yep.
Bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And a little nori.
Okay.
How about that?
And put some wasabi. Is it a bit too much? A bit hot?
Could be hot, but doesn't matter.
Okay. Oh, I like it hot.
Maybe.
Okay, so try some of this.
Yeah, this is special treat for you.
Well, here goes.
Can you tell the difference?
Yeah, it's a really deep flavour, isn't it?
It's good. That katsuobushi that from a specialty shop, the difference.
Well, I'm really glad we went to the specialist shop earlier
Yeah.
because it really tastes just a little bit special, doesn't it?
That's right. Yes. You wanna try niboshi?
Yes. So this is niboshi, baby sardine.
Baby sardine.
And
It's,
this is rich in calcium.
calcium and protein as well. people use niboshi for making dashi as well, but a little bit strong. Too
Well, it's a stronger flavour, but it's nice.
Yeah. So.
Well, this is a very easy meal to make.
Very simple.
And it's nice on a summer day or a spring day.
The weather is now it's warmer. So I hope you try this Zaru Soba.
Well, thanks very much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Okay.
Goodbye for now.
Bye for now.